The word I heard is dietary counseling. And so, dietary counseling is a collaborative, personalized process where a trained healthcare professional, such as a registered dietitian, helps you assess your nutritional habits and make sustainable food and lifestyle changes to improve your overall health. This is a good thing. It says what to expect: initial assessment, goal setting, and action plans. So, they're going to ask questions about an individual's medical history, their current medications, their lifestyle, like stress, sleep, exercise, and their daily eating habits. They're going to set goals. Okay, they're going to work together to identify nutritional issues, setting achievable, realistic health goals, and then they're going to get tailored meal plans. This is excellent. So, the Lord wants us to clean our bodies inside and outside. And if He wants us to do that for our spirit and our bodies, that's something we need to do. So you don't let toxic information into your spirit that take control of your mind, because then that is how you will lead your life. So you don't want to let toxic chemicals into your body. And now I'm starting to feel like there are so many people that are afraid of certain medications they're prescribed from their doctor. They know that they're supposed to trust the doctor. They're the healthcare provider. They're the so called expert, but they're not trusting that they're giving them the right information relative to their symptoms. Even if they've received blood work and it could be accurate, they don't want to take the medication prescribed. I understand that. I understand that. You have a right to choose what you do with your health care. Even if it's something that the doctors would advise against, you do have the right to make informed decisions and choices. But what I'm getting here is that um, some people are young, vibrant, and they have the possibility of reversing some issues if they just take the time to change their diet. If you change your spiritual diet, you change your mind. You get a renewing of the mind, you get a resurrection. So, if you change your physical diet, you can see major changes. There's something called the Mediterranean diet where you're on like more fish and more nuts, and you use olive oil instead of those vegetable oils. These things significantly change cardiovascular or coronary artery disease. And it's been proven, so do your research. But definitely, you're not going to sit around and eat a bunch of cookies and cake and carbs all day. That's not going to help you get healthy. It's not giving you anything. Eat things that are good for you and that are alive so that you can live.